This is Winter Storm,
Winter Storm number 3.
December 2008.
Number 3.
Oh, there's nothing like this.
Are we gonna make a snowman?
No.
Yeah, Frosty. You know how you do that? You make a ball. Ooh, it's not very sticky snow.
Yeah, this may not be the right snow.
Do you have to add water?
Alright, this experiment's done.
No. Do you add water?
Natalie, you wait for the right type of snow. You're insane.
We should go get a bowl from the kitchen. We can, like, form it.
You are insane. It won't. It's not the right type of snow. Not fluffy.
Is this the skiing kind of snow?
I'm sure it is.
We have a fire chief.
Can you stomp? Oh, his pants need to come down a little bit.
Hold on, sweetie.
Can you stomp, Elliott, in the snow?
You don't like the snow?
Yeah, it's not good to be out in this. It's too windy.
I don't like the snow. There you go.
Elliott, will you wave to me? Hi.
Why?
Can you stomp in it?
Can you move your feet up and down? You want to walk?
Pretend that you're in the...
Can you throw it?
That's fun.
Can you throw it at Daddy like that?
Oh. Whoa!
Can we kick it at Daddy? No snowman here.
You like this? It's fun, isn't it?
Okay, I'll walk with you.
Is it like you're on the moon, Elliott? Yeah.
Get some diggers.
Tromping through the moon dust.
You want to go get some diggers?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the back and get some diggers. How much is this?
Maybe 5 inches. I don't know.
No, not 5. Surely not 5. I don't know.
Do you see your footprints, Elliott? Look behind you. Do you see the footprints that you made in the snow? She's gonna get some. Which ones do you want? A dump truck?
Digger. Scoop it up. You have to have your mittens on.
If you took your mittens off, it would be too cold.
Oh man.
got some snow?
A digger is home.
Is that a snowplow? That's a useful digger, Elliott.
His poor thumb isn't in his mitten. That's pretty deep snow right there. Yeah, I guess it came down.
It's just been building up over the last, well, all day. It's going to continue to all night.
I guess we could get 10 inches like they say. There's the ground right there. Yeah, I guess there's at least 4 inches there.
Did you tell my parents that we weren't going to do it?
What?
Did you tell them we weren't going to do it?
No.
Huh?
No, it is connected. I can go in this or something.
I go out there.
You having fun with your digger?
That's disappointing we can't make a snowman.
Oh, I wondered seeing the type of snow, but you never really know until you try.
Yeah, you can't make anything with it. Like this really powdery, soft stuff.
You're doing good in the snow, Elliott. Are you gonna bury your digger? Throw some snow on top of it and hide it.
Elliott, where's your digger? Where'd it go?
Look under the snow. Is it under here? Kick the snow out of the way.
There it is.
It's hiding.
Digger. It's over up. It's over up.
Do you think we should take a broom or shovel and try to move some of that snow?
No.
No. I think our car's gonna be stuck.